Transition cards are a visual strategy to teach the learner what is expected of them from one task, activity, class to another. The visuals in conjunction with a timer help the learner to understand and follow transitions. Transitions can be difficult, challenging, and anxiety-inducing. The transition cards, when used with a timer, act as a signal giving the learner time to process what is next. Visually seeing what is next can reduce anxiety as well as challenging behaviour caused by transitions. The transition cards are used in any setting where the learner is expected to make transitions. The transition cards can be presented individually, on a visual schedule, or on a binder ring. When presenting the learner with the visuals, give them a verbal direction as well. For example, when presenting the time for lunch transition card, verbally say, "Time for lunch in 5 minutes," followed by setting the timer for 5 minutes. Or when presenting the time to brush teeth card, verbally say, "It's time to brush your teeth in 3 minutes," followed by setting the timer for 3 minutes. There is a version without the clock as well. Decide on which to use based on the learner's preference or needs. When using this set of cards, the process remains the same, minus setting a timer. If the learner has adjusted to using the transition cards, they can be used as part of a visual schedule or first-then strategy. The cards can also be placed on a binder ring for storage and quick access.